Good morning everyone. I hope you people are good. Let's start today's topic. Your topic is 3D shapes. Your learning objectives are students will be able to sort common 2D shapes and relate the properties of 2D shapes to the faces of 3D objects. Here are some 3D shapes. Yes, your first shape is cylinder. Cylinder is 3D shapes. Now let's read the properties of cylinder. I have two circle faces. I have one curved face. I have no corner. I have two curved edges. Yes, this is cylinder. Cylinder have two circle faces, one curved face, no corners, two curved edges, and cylinder is 3D shape. Yes, look at this one shape. Which shape is this one? Cuboid. Very good. And this is 3D shape. Cuboid is 3D shape. The properties of cuboid are I have 6 faces, I have 6 corners, I have 5 straight edges. Yes, look at the cube carefully. Yes, this is cuboid. Look at the cuboid carefully. It has 6 faces, 6 corners, 12 straight edges. 2 faces are square and 4 faces are rectangle. Now look at this one shape. What is the name of this one shape? Very good. Cube. And cube is 3D shape. Let's read the properties. I have 6 faces that are all square. Look at the faces of the cube. All the faces are square. I have 6 corners. I have 12 straight edges. Cube have 6 faces and all the faces are square. Cube have 6 corners and 12 straight edges. And cube is 3D shape. Let's move to the next one shape. Yes, this is sphere. Let's read the properties. I have one curved face. I have 0 corners. I am easy to roll. Yes, we can easily roll the sphere. Sphere is 3D shape. Sphere have one curved face, no corner and easy to roll. Okay, look at this one shape. What is the name of this one shape? Pyramid. Let's read the properties. I have 5 flat faces. One face is a square and 4 faces are triangle. Yes, with the 5 flat faces, we can easily make the pyramid. One face is square and 4 faces are triangle. And this is 3D shape. Look at this one shape. What is the name of this one shape? Excellent. The name of this one shape is cone. Let's read the properties. I have one flat face and I have one curved face. My flat face is circle. Yes, a cone have one flat face and one curved surface. And the flat face is circle. Okay, now everyone take out your challenge book. Open the page number 13. This is the cover page of your challenge book. Take out this one challenge book from your bag and open the page number 13. This is the whole page. You can see this is page number 13 of your challenge book, and the topic is 3D shapes. 3D shapes are solid shapes. At the top of your page, see, here are some 3D shapes. Then here is the one question. Here are the 5 parts of this one question. One by one we will solve all the parts. Now, at the top of your page, this is how you will put date and day. First, you will write on the Thursday. At the top of your page, from your left side, put your day, that is Thursday. Then in the center, you will put classwork. At the end, you will put the date, that is 3rd December 2020. Yes, first of all, you will draw the 3 small lines, and on the line, first line you will put day, in the center one line you will put classwork, and the third one line you will put the date. And you remember that 3D shapes are solid shapes. Look at these one shapes. Here are some 3D shapes. Let's read the name: cuboid, cone, sphere, pyramid, triangular prism, cylinder and cube. These all shapes are 3D shapes. Now let's read the question. Look for 3D shapes that are in everyday objects. Draw or write the name of the shape. Yes, here are, first we will solve these 4 parts. Here all the properties of the different shapes are written. We will read the properties one by one, and after that we will decide it which shape is this one, and then we will write it down the name of that one shape on these lines. Here are the properties. We will read the properties carefully and we will then write it down the name of that one shape who have this one properties. Okay? Let's see. I have 6 flat faces. All my faces are square. What do you think? Which shape is this one? Just think about. Again, I am going to read the properties. I have 6 flat faces. All my faces are square. And this is a 3D shape. Tell me the name. Very good. Cube. Cube have 6 flat faces and all the faces are squares. Very good. Now read the second one property. I have 5 flat faces. One face is a square and 4 faces are triangle. Yes, which shape have this one properties? And that is a 3D shape. Just think about. Again, I am going to read this one properties. I have 5 flat faces. One face is a square and 4 faces are triangles. Yes, which shape is this one? Very good. Pyramid. Yes. The name of this one shape is pyramid. Now let's read the next one property. I have 1 flat face and 1 curved surface. My flat face is a circle. Think about which shape is this one? That is a 3D shape. Again I am going to read the property. I have one flat face and one curved surface. My flat face is a circle. Yes, excellent. Your answer is correct. The name of that one shape is cone. Very good. Now let's read the next one property. I have two flat faces and one curved surface. My flat faces are circle. And this is a 3D shape. Think about this one shape. What do you think? Which shape is this one? Again I am going to read the property. Listen carefully. I have two flat faces and one curved surface. My flat faces are circle. Excellent. Very good. The name of that one 3D shape is cylinder. Cylinder have two flat faces and one curved surface, and all the faces are circles. So here when you will read the properties, and after that when you will decide it, finally the which shape is this one, so that on these one lines, one by one you will write it down the spelling of that one 3D shapes. Look at this one. I have solved this one part. See, I have 6 flat faces. All my faces are square. The name of that one shape is cube. So here you will write it on the line the spelling of cube. I have 5 flat faces. One face is a square and 4 faces are triangle. Yes. What was the name of that one shape? Pyramid. Yes. So here you will write down the spelling. I have one flat face and one curved surface. My flat face is a circle. So what was that one shape? Cone. Yes, very good. So what you will do? You will write down the spelling of cone. I have 2 flat faces and one curved surface. My flat faces are circle. The name of that one 3D shape is cylinder. So you will write down the spelling of cylinder. I have told you before that when you will learn the shapes, you should learn the spellings also. So here you will write down cube, pyramid, cone and cylinder. This is how you will solve this one part. Is this clear? You can also draw the shapes also, but it's better you will write down the name of the shapes. Write down the spelling. Okay, let's move to this one part. Choose a 3D shape and write a set of clues for it. Now on this one part, that is your own choice, that you can choose any shape, and you will also write down the clues for it. Let's see which shape I have chosen. Yes, I have 6 flat faces, 2 square faces and 4 faces are rectangles. Yes, I have choose the cuboid. Cuboid have 6 flat faces, 2 square faces and 4 faces are rectangles. So at the end I have written the spelling of cuboid. I have choose this one shape and I have written the clues for that. The clues was 6 flat faces, 2 square faces, 4 faces are rectangles. Then when you will think about this one shape, then you will get it what the shape is this. So, this is a cuboid. So, I have here written the name of that one shape, but you can choose any other shape also, and you will write it on the first of all on these one lines you will write down the clues, and at the end then you will decide it what the shape is that one, and at the end you will write it down the name of that one shape. Is this clear? There are so many shapes, 3D shapes, so you can choose this any one. Now look at the end, page number 13. See, we have solved all the parts. First there was the shapes. We have read all the name of the shapes like cuboid, cone, sphere, pyramid, triangular prism, cylinder and cube. Then one by one we have solved all the parts. First we have solved these 4 parts. We have written the name of that one shapes, and here we have choose one more shape for your own choice, and then we have written the clues, and at the end we have written the name of that one shape. Fine, and this part you can choose, you can do it by yourself, like you can choose any other shape. You can also choose the cone, and then you will write down the clues. You will also choose the sphere, the cuboid, the pyramid, the triangular prism, cylinder and cube. Any shape you can choose it, write it on the clues, and then write it down at the end the name of that one shape. Is this clear? This is how you will solve the page number 13 of your challenge book. Okay. Okay, with the neat writing, solve page number 13. Now get ready for some plenary question. Yes, here are at the top you can see here are the 3D shapes. Look at these shapes carefully. I am going to ask some plenary question from you. Okay, tell me the name of that one shape that have 6 flat faces and all the faces are square. Think about that one shape. Very good. Cube. Okay, now I will read a one property. You will just guess the which shape is that one. Okay. I have 5 flat faces. My 3 faces are rectangle and 2 faces are triangle. Yes, tell me the name of that one shape. Yes, think about which shape is that one. Very good. The name of that one shape is triangular prism. Very good. Excellent. Okay, tell me the name of that one shape who have 2 circle faces and 1 curved surface. And we can easily roll it, and that is a 3D shape. I have given you so many clues. Now you can easily give me the answer. Very good. Excellent. Clap for yourself. That is cylinder. Excellent, everyone. But you should also learn the spelling of cylinder. You should know the spellings of all the shapes. Okay, your last question is, who I am with 6 flat faces, 4 faces are rectangle, 2 faces are square. And I am a solid shape like 3D shape, 6 flat faces, 4 faces are rectangle, 2 faces are square. Yes, very good, excellent. The name of that one shape is cuboid. Very good. Excellent, everyone. Now you will also practice at home how to draw the 3D shapes. Fine. You will learn all the properties, the spelling of the shapes, and you should know how to draw the shape also. Is this clear? Okay, that is it for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.